December hogs closed sharply lower with an outside reversal down day. It's actually testing the lower end of the upward trending channel that we've been in since the beginning of July. And it was a close below the 20-day moving average. And it's the first time we've done that. We've seen December hogs do that since October 15th. So a little bit of damage done to the chart here today. However, you still have that trend line at least intact for the moment. So it'll be interesting to see how we follow that up, the technical trade, on Friday and into early next week. In the meantime, the December hog futures are trading at a $8 to $9 discount to the CME cash index. That is a little bit of a wider discount than what we would normally be looking at this time of year. And it also goes along with the USDA's pork cutout being down fairly sharply this week. So on the cash side of things in hogs and also pork, a little bit of weakness here this week, which I think kind of led into some of the weakness that we saw on the futures board here Thursday. We also are going to be looking at export sales on Friday. That is delayed a day because of the Veterans Day holiday on Monday. That was a government holiday, not a market holiday. But when you have a government holiday like that, it pushes the weekly reports all back one day. So we'll be looking for that here Friday morning. And we'll be looking at that with some anticipation because, exports are a decent portion of the overall pork balance sheet. And last week's numbers were really not good. We actually had a net negative export week last week as we saw a lot of cancellations. And a lot of that might be tied into the higher US dollar. The dollar has been really very strong here as of late. So will pork exports bounce back Friday morning? And we'll see a positive weekly number, hopefully a good positive weekly number. Or are we going to continue with these cancellations and have a negative number? Something to watch out for there on Friday. In the meantime, you have a wonderful day and you stay safe.